So interactive brokers in your account, you might find that like some of the stocks you're unable to trade. Typically, it'll be like small cap stocks, and this happened to me. And there's a simple way in which you can change that. So you want to hover over the little your profile where it says welcome your name. You can see this little icon here. You click on that, and you go into settings. Next, you want to go to financial profile. And here you will see how I've set mine up. So if you just go through here, and you can pretty much like replicate what I've done here. So income and worth, I've put an annual income of 100 to 150, net worth of 110 to 125, liquid net worth 110 to 125. Source of wealth, you know, this, you can do what you want with that. You can put 100% income, I'm sure that will be fine. Investment objectives and intended purpose of trading, I put growth, hedging, profits from active trading and speculation. And then investment experience, so experience of futures experience, I put 1 year. Futures trades per year, no trades per year, futures knowledge, limited knowledge. It's over here where you want to really make the changes. So stocks experience, 5 years. Stocks trades per year, 11 to 25. Stocks knowledge, extensive knowledge. This is the key one. Trading on margin experience, 6 to 10 years experience. Trading on margin trades per year, more than 100 trades a year. Trading on margin knowledge, extensive knowledge. Bonds experience, I put 4 years. Bonds trades per year, I put no trades per year. Bonds knowledge, I put good knowledge. Funds experience, 4 years. Funds trades per year, 1 to 10. Funds knowledge, good knowledge. Options experience, 1 year's experience. Options trades per year, none. And then options knowledge, limited knowledge. Once you've completed this, obviously you just click continue. I've already done this, so let's just see what it does. So yeah, it will just make you go through and confirm a few things. Now, that's one part of it. The next part is you want to come back to settings. Now that you've done financial profile, you want to go to trading permissions. And here you can see it says stocks. And what you'll see is that this will change. Right now, you probably don't have access to all of these things. But once you've changed the settings with margin and stuff, you get access to a whole host of a whole lot more markets, including like penny stocks or small cap stocks. So you want to come through here, click all of this stuff, click continue. And there you go. So up on your screen now, you'll see a couple of videos which just document where I've made money trading stocks, and you can learn how to do this too. I also share resources, I share like my strategy, I share books that I've read as well, which help me to learn the strategy which I've used. So take a look at those videos, and obviously like if this has helped you, it'd be great if you could just hit the subscribe button. But look, have a great day, speak to you soon, and stay on the path. All the best.